So it's H Nature Warrior. So this video, as you see, is called the most important video on my channel because it is. So just make sure you subscribe and like. So to see more, because you'll need to, and then try and share this kind of topic. So this is pretty much about how to save the world, because the moment we're in a kind of a phase and humans have taken over the world. So yeah, this was inspired by David Attenborough. If you want to see this kind of thing, it's best to look on ourplanet.com or watch the series on Netflix. So this is pretty much most of the things you need to do to save the world. So stop using plastic bags, get solar power, pretty much so don't use any more plastic bags, get your own bags, or if you do get plastic bags, reuse them. Make sure you install sustainable power, so like solar power from solar farms or just ones on your roof. We actually have that, but only for the warm water. So, and then one of the most important is sustainable palm oil, which is because they use the pretty much palm trees from all sorts of forests where tigers, monkeys, all those kind of things live, and is destroying the world. So sustainable palm oil is palm oil, but from a palm oil farm, pretty much. Then sustainable fish from like a breeding fish ground, so I'll have to remember what it's called, because yeah. So, and then try to eat less meat, because that's so particularly with cows, so beef, you do not, so cows produce a lot of methane gas, which is extremely flammable, which causes global warming. So you'll want to not eat too many burgers, and then you never litter, okay? Because if you litter, you're literally destroying the environment. So with plastic bags, like I said, so sea turtles mistake them as jellyfish because that's what they eat, and then they're found on the shore of beaches pretty much destroyed, like, then it's not good. And then so that is the end of this video, really, but I will tell you more on the next video, which I'll upload at the same time. So just look around on my channel, and then it will be my most important video, part 2. So make sure you subscribe and like. Check out David Attenborough everywhere. I pretty much watch most of his things. And save the world. Bye.